Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We are making some cupcakes for my birthday. Let's get into it.
Flour, I'm pretty sure you
1¼ cups gluten-free flour. That's better.
Perfect.
1¼ cups flour. ½ cup potato starch. Or cornstarch.
Mission complete.
½ tablespoon baking powder.
½ a teaspoon of salt. 1 cup granulated sugar. And 4. That's all set and completed. And then we got the beta by 8 tablespoons.
Or 1 stick.
Or 1 stick. Is there like some
Okay, one more thing we're going to do is going to do some garbanzo bean liquid again. What we need is ½ cup of garbanzo bean liquid.
and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Mix the garbanzo bean liquid and vanilla until
Nice and mixed.
nice and fluffy. Fluffy. It's fluffy. This is what it should look like. Nice and fluffy. Okay, let's continue. 3/4 cup almond milk.
And then a single teaspoon.
Or any milk you prefer. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take some of the fluff,
Scoop them out in the lined muffin pan.
and then we're going to do that, and then fold it in.
Knead it.
Oh.
These directions are pretty bad.
Yeah. Fold it in.
That looks like a batter.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta add some more. A little bit more. Fold it in. Yeah, okay, ready, set, fold. Now that we are done, let's put this in the cupcakes and get them cooking. Next time you'll see this is all decorated for the taste test. Taste tester here.
Taste tester! Let us see how our
Cupcakes turned out.
cupcakes have turned out.
What do you think?
Good. Very thick, but very delicious.
Okay.
It tastes really good. The texture threw me off because it's very thick texture.
Yeah.
I'd say 7.5, 8.
Okay. If a normal pretty good gluten cupcake with eggs and stuff was like a 6, what would you rate that?
If that was a 6, I'll rate this. This tastes better than a cupcake with gluten, honestly, in my opinion.
Okay.
I like it more. I like the thicker texture. It just tastes different, which is probably why it has a lower rating if I would rate it.
Okay.
Because I'm not used to it.
No.
But it is very good. Very, very delicious. Very, very, very good.
Nice.
Good job.
Try this yourself. It's okay.